Back in 1947, Melnor introduced its first oscillating sprinkler, with gentle watering covering a large area. Since then, innovation after innovation have led to the MiniMax, the compact oscillating sprinkler that waters as much area as full-size sprinklers while offering greater flexibility. MiniMax is simple to adjust. You can alter the width to spray just what you need, without wasting water on the sidewalk or driveway. You can easily tailor the coverage to a wide or narrow lawn. Easily set the coverage to the left, to the right, or both. It's perfect for super narrow areas, like the side lawn of a house. Simple sliders let you set the range of the sprinkler motion. You can modify the forward motion, the backward motion, or both. Sometimes you just need to water a small area. No problem. A unique zoom feature adjusts the overall area in a single setting, easily reducing or increasing the coverage. Finally, the 360-degree pivoting head is ideal for hitting just the right area without tugging or repositioning the hose. Even the smallest adjustments are quick and easy. The MiniMax comes in two models, one on a sled base for easy movement, the other on a step spike for sturdy positioning. Both with the same coverage and adjustability, providing years of gentle watering and lush green lawns.
When it comes to watering the right amount, timing is everything. An electronic water timer lets you precisely customize when you want to water and how long you want to water, helping you save money and giving you the freedom to relax or focus on other things. Start by rotating the dial to Set Clock and pushing the plus or minus button to set the time. Hold to advance quickly. Next, rotate the dial to Start Time and choose when you want your watering to begin. Water for the perfect amount of time by setting the dial to How Long. You can customize the duration you want the water to run, up to 6 hours. Simply turn the dial to How Often and then set the program to repeat every 6 hours or 12 hours, or from 1 to 7 days. Rotate the dial to Run and you're ready to go. Did a rain cloud take care of the day's watering for you? Use the watering delay to skip a session without interrupting your programmed schedule. With the dial in the Run position, press the plus button to cause a 24-hour delay. To remove the watering delay, turn the dial to Off and then back to Run. Wash your car without disturbing your watering schedule by pressing the Faucet button for instant watering. This mode will run only when the dial is on Run. Press the plus or minus button for instant watering up to 4 hours. To go back to your programmed cycle, press the Faucet button again. If you need to stop your watering schedule for any reason, turn the dial to Off. This will stop the manual or programmed watering immediately. Pressing the Reset button for 2 seconds will erase all programs and restore your timer to factory settings. Want to schedule watering for your lawn and your garden? Pick up a Gilmour dual outlet electronic water timer to easily cover both areas at their own unique times. Achieving a great looking lawn feels even better when you know you did it the smart way. Making a lush lawn a breeze? That's a better day.
This is the Sunjo SPX 3001 pressure washer. It's a customizable machine that can tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. With its powerful motor, it can generate up to 2030 PSI and blast away dirt and debris in minutes. Just aim it, spray it, and grime is gone. Patios, driveways, and any brick pavement takes a beating over the years. You keep the floors of your house clean, so why not keep your outdoor surfaces clean from the mildew, grime, dirt, and stains that build? You can use the Pressure Joe to return your pavement to its former glory and increase your curb appeal. And when your beautiful deck gets green or dark colored, you can bring it back to life with the Pressure Joe. With our extra large onboard detergent tank, you can use any one of our additional soaps for added cleaning and adjust the amount with the detergent dial. And you can add the power scrubbing broom attachment as an added tool to scrub away any dirt or debris. Seriously, the curb appeal on your house after you use the Pressure Joe will be amazing. You'll want to show it off and invite everyone over. And not only can the Pressure Joe reach down low, it can reach high too. The 34-inch extension wand makes cleaning windows, siding, and gutters a breeze. Just connect one of our 5 quick spray connection tips. 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and our soap spray tip. And then point, squeeze the trigger, and all that dirt and grime comes right off. And when you have everyone over, you'll want to make sure that you have nice clean lawn furniture for them to relax on. The Pressure Joe can take care of that too. Think of how much dirt, mud, and rust gets into your chairs and tables that are outside full time. And for that extra stubborn dirt and grime, you can even add the rotary wash brush. So it doesn't matter how big or small the chore, you can cross off all your cleaning tasks with the Sunjoe SPX 3001 pressure washer.
Thanks for your recent purchase of our Raindrip automatic watering kit. Installation of this kit should only take about 20 minutes. We have also provided a link that will show you how to program the timer if you need it. Let's get started with the installation. The timer that comes in this kit requires water pressure greater than 25 psi. That means you cannot use this timer to control water flow from, say, a rain barrel. Additionally, this timer must be installed on an above-ground hose bib. Do not install it on a hose or location where the timer will be laying on the ground. First, you need to locate the hose bib that is near the area you want to water. Next, take the timer and hold it up to the hose bib with the metal collar inlet in line with the outlet of the hose bib. Hand tighten the collar onto the hose bib until the timer is securely connected. Do not over-tighten the collar. Now that the timer is in place, screw on the supply tubing. This kit includes all the parts that you will need to make a completely customized drip irrigation system for your potted plants. Elbows and T's allow you to make the necessary turns to reach all of your plants. 75 feet of 1/4-inch tubing is included with this kit. The easiest way to install this kit is to slowly unroll the tubing as you place it at the base of each of the containers you want to water. Run tubing to the farthest container. Nails and clamps have also been included if you want to run tubing along the covered patio to water hanging plants. Remember to save enough tubing to extend a branch to the inside of each container. Beginning at the last container, use scissors or a hose cutter to cut the supply tubing where you want the tubing to run to the plants. Firmly press an elbow into the supply tubing. The tubing should be pressed down onto both barbs of the fitting. Leaving the tubing in the sun for 15 minutes prior to installation will soften the tubing and will make inserting the fittings much easier. Measure the amount of tubing needed to reach from the elbow to your plant. Measure, cut, and connect the tubing. Now that the tubing is inside the container, insert one of the supplied drippers into the end of the tubing. Drippers emit water at a rate of ½ gallon per hour. Next, place the dripper onto one of the stakes and place the stake so the water drips in the desired location. Move to the next container and repeat the steps using the supplied T's and remainder of the tubing. Sometimes you may need more supply tubing or drippers. You can find those by visiting Raindrip.com. We have also provided a quick watering guide that can help you select the right number of feeder lines for each plant type. This type of system is not designed to have more than a total of 75 feet of tubing. No more than 20 1/2 gallon per hour drippers or a total of 10 gallons of water per hour can flow through the system. You can continue to add additional plants to your system until you reach these limits. So that's all there is to it. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at Raindrip@raindrip.com. For more than 30 years, Raindrip, a subsidiary of NDS, has been a leader in efficient irrigation solutions for the residential market. For more information on our products, other efficient irrigation products, and special offers, visit Raindrip.com.